recent technique, that is bootstrapping, and based on this we have several results. Okay, this is a result of simple regression technique, and then we have regression analysis and application of Sobel test, and then application of bootstrapping techniques. So usually, although in detail, you can just go back here and visit this particular link, or just go to YouTube and write SEM series, and you can have precise idea about how to conduct. But just for an example, I will tell you that the lower and upper value, if there is a difference that is more than one, so usually what we call that there is a mediation that occurs. So for all the research hypotheses, we need to conduct these tests to check the mediation. But one more important thing, that is the presentation of the all findings. Okay, for this, okay, we have another section that is called summary of findings. Okay, just read the psychology of a human being who is reading your research paper until now, or thesis until now. So by going through these complex tests and by following all these things, what can be a straightaway effect, that this person might not be able to understand your research properly, or the things might get messy. So what you need to do, you need to make it more precise for this person, so that the research could be much more understandable to the reader. So for example, we have the current study has four hypotheses to assess unmediated and equally four hypotheses to assess mediated part of proposed research model. So why you are telling the reader again? Two of the four hypotheses related to unmediated model assessment were not supported. On the other hand, all four hypotheses related to mediating model assessment were confirmed as supported. So, the support of all four hypotheses assures that the researcher did found the negative mediating role of trust in web vendors in the theoretical relationships between consumers' perceived performance risk, perceived financial risk, perceived psychological risk, and perceived time loss risk. So now table 4.37 presents the summary of finding. In terms of attaining the study purpose, the overall evaluation pursued that the relationship between each perceived risk component is likely to increase the trust of Malaysian consumer in web vendor, thereby is likely to take or even improve their purchase intention. So now coming to this major table. This is the research purpose. It was divided into four research questions. We have discussed all these things before also, and then this will cover four research objectives, and each research objective belong to two research hypotheses, and these are the findings. So now all the research purpose is in line with research question, research objective, research hypothesis, and research findings. So until now, we have got some good information to contribute. Thank you.